Hey dolls, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Lo, and if you're new here, you're here just in time because today I am kicking off a new vlog series called the Dollhouse Diaries. For those of you that don't know, I call my home the dollhouse. Home decor is one of my hobbies, and when I was a little girl, I would love to decorate my dollhouse. I would even draw little doll houses and decorate them. So hence the name Dollhouse Diaries. So in today's first episode of the Dollhouse Diaries, I'm going to be reviewing a camera that I purchased on Amazon. To celebrate my 2K subscribers, which was a goal that I set for myself when I first started this journey. I said, once I get 2K subscribers, then I'll buy myself a vlogging camera. I did try to purchase one before and it didn't work out. And it's probably because I hadn't met the goal that I set for myself. So that was a good thing. But the reason why I want a camera is I have an iPhone 13 mini. Excuse me, y'all. My head is itching. It's time to take this out and wash it. But anyway, I have an iPhone 13 mini and it sometimes is very challenging to record on. Amongst other things, like, I might have a phone call, a notification, a text message, and I stop recording. And so this way, if I have just the vlogging camera, I am just focused on the content. And then too, I just wanted a camera. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and this camera review. I will say this is a budget-friendly camera. Because all the reviews, when I was looking for a camera, all the reviews that I watched, which I watched a lot of reviews, dolls. When I clicked on that affiliate link, those cameras are now anywhere between $50 more to hundreds of dollars more. So let's just say the tariffs are tariffing. Anyway, I found this camera and I only saw one review on YouTube for this camera. And it was a pretty good review, so I decided to try it out. So anyway, that's enough about that. Let's get to the camera. Okay, so here is the camera. Again, I purchased this on Amazon and it was $150. Of course, it had good reviews on Amazon, but sometimes those are paid reviews, y'all, so you can't really go off that. That's why I like to come to YouTube. And even with YouTube, if you got a brand deal or something, I'm pretty sure you're not going to say anything bad about it. I'm not sure, but okay. So yes, it's packaged well. Yes. Okay. That's better. It says, please format the memory card before using this digital camera. Okay. So. Okay. So we have the instructions on the usage of the camera. Comes with a nice bag. Here's the camera. Goodness. Oh my God. So here's the camera. It's a nice looking camera. I'm noticing right off the top, it doesn't have a lens cover. So maybe it's in the box, but usually they come with a lens cover on it. And here is the instruction manual. So before we get into the accessories, let's see. So it flips out, doesn't rotate. So it's just out. I guess if you wanna, ooh, my hand's so ashy. Excuse me, y'all. So that's that. And then the accessories. It should have some type of protective. So the camera sits in here like that. That's nice. And then it screws down at the bottom to hold it on, to keep it on. Screw is right here. So that's interesting. Looks really nice too with it on. And it comes with a strap. Lens cloth to clean your lens. I guess this is the USB to charge it, I'm assuming. Another strap, a longer strap. Those with 2 batteries. Oh. Oh, okay. So it comes with another lens. I believe. Oh, and this one has a lens cap. So I guess, I wonder why they. So this one has a lens cap. I wonder if it fits on here. No, it doesn't fit on here. That's odd. So it has a lens cap for the additional lens. Let's look here. So this is a macro and wide angle lens. And it says it can be separated. So okay. That back on there. And what's else? So here's the battery charger for the 2 batteries. And the port. Comes with a mini SD card. And a USB. And a cap for it. Okay. Is that it? No, that's it. And then, so this is the packaging. So the camera was sitting here in this nice spongy protective for in packaging. So it's packaged really well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and read this, and I think I'm gonna have to probably charge these batteries. It says, please ensure that the battery is more than 20% of the state of charge. Timely charging for the battery. The red light on the charger indicates that it is charging, and the blue light indicates that it is fully charged. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up, and then I will come back on and we will put it to work. Okay, so I've already run into a problem with the SD card. You can see right here, it says to push it in. Insert the TF card into the card slot until you hear the sound as the real installation is complete. So, one, I'm not hearing any sound, and it won't stay in. Like, I push it in, it won't stay in. However, when I do push it in, as you can see, it shows up right here on the end, but when I let it go, it disappears, so it's not inserted. So that's the first issue. So the picture quality from the screen, let's pull it out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. Here, let me just go ahead, and I don't even think I can record anything or take a picture for you guys to see it, since I can't get the card to stay in, the TF card. But maybe if I hold it in there. Anyway, as you can see, I have my mic connected, so that worked. And then also I wanted to set it up so you guys could get the full effect. But this thing right here, it doesn't fit secure. It hangs off the edge and you can't screw it in under the bottom. So anyway, let me try to take some pictures and record something, and then that way I'll be able to show you a comparison. Okay, dolls. I'm gonna say that I got a defaulty camera. Like, I tried to go outside and take some pictures with it, but again, like I said, I had to hold that SD card in there because it won't insert properly for proper usage. I didn't even get a chance to look at the wide angle lens, but I mean, it really doesn't make a difference because I have to send it back anyway if it doesn't work properly. But I'm kind of bummed because I wanted to give you guys a good review of the camera. And here I am thinking, oh, I'm gonna do a review on a budget-friendly camera. So maybe there's some other small content creators out there that are looking to come off of their phone and they could get something that's a little bit more budget-friendly. And yeah, I guess you get what you pay for. This is a bummer. This really sucks. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and package it back up, go right on Amazon right now and submit my return request so they can process my return. And yeah, I'm not gonna order it again. But there was another review that I saw a young lady that did on a digital camera, and it's really, really, really small. So I was gonna get that one, but I don't know because it's really small. The reason why I don't like using my iPhone mini is because it's so tiny. And also I just don't want to use my phone. I do have an older iPhone. It's an iPhone 8. And I tried to record with that. It's not bad. but it doesn't have all the features like the cinematic feature, to blur things out in the background. And I guess I could do that through the editing software. I'm thinking, I don't know. Maybe I'll try that. But yeah, this sucks. Yeah. So, anywho, I'm going to just go ahead and sign off on the vlog. I'm still uploading this though. I am uploading this.